Flooring is a crucial part of any interior project. For commercial spaces, flooring should be as durable as it is beautiful. The right flooring material can give that final touch to the overall ambiance of the space and other added advantages. Choosing the right material has a major impact on the safety, cleanliness, and durability of its surface, and selecting the right flooring doesn't need to be difficult. Division 9 Flooring provides a wide range of services and products that support commercial projects and come from the world's largest suppliers, offering a large variety of options. Our services include a consulting session that guides you through the entire process from existing floor removal to new material selection to installation. We work with our clients from project planning to completion, overseeing your entire project to ensure it meets the quality, budget, and aesthetic required for your new space. Visit our website or contact us for more information on how we can help you create spaces that work.